Yo, what's up guys? This is Ceech. Today we're gonna drill our wrist twirls. Look at the description below for a table of content of all the different drills, and also at the end of all the drills, I'm gonna explain step by step exactly how we get the wrist twirls. All right, let's go. 90 beats per minute. 5, 6, 7. Again. (100 BPM). Again. (110 beats per minute). Here we go. Alright guys, you made it this far. Now, this is the explanation part of what we're doing. This, again, is called the wrist twirl. Twirl, not wrist roll, wrist twirl. Okay, let me get a little bit closer. I'm going to start with my right hand. The way I'm going to start, I'm going to teach you guys. This is how I'm going to teach all of my students. Is you're going to hold like a, imagine you're holding a dumbbell or making zeros, okay? And your wrist right here is a loose wrist right here, okay? So it's almost like instead of knocking on the door this way, you flip it open, you're knocking on the door the other way, okay? Imagine you're knocking on the door right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. There's that little flick. We're gonna start that out. I know you'll say, hey, that's not a wrist twirl. I understand. Right now, just get the wrist a little bit loose right here. Okay, you're gonna extend it straight out right here. 1, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a good exercise right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is curl it in like if you're doing a bicep curl. Curl it all the way in here. Get the elbows. My elbows right now is pointing straight to you, to the camera. I'm going to move it to the side right here, so it's pointing out right here. Now, watch the wrist right here. So now, imagine back here, I'm knocking on the door that's back here, okay? So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, remember we're talking about the loose wrist right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna go 1 and 2. Notice how quickly this comes in. I got 1 and it's more like a 1 and 2 right here. 1 and 2. Okay? So I'm breaking that movement down from 1 to 2. There's the 1 and 2. Make sense? Slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and the and a 3. 2 and 3. The elbows got to come in, okay? So slow again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now, I started here in 1. I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to start here on the 1, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Slow, sad, 8. From here, sad, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let me stand up here. Slow, I'm going to focus on just the right arm. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm going to stop counting the Anna. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. The Anna, you're going to have to say it in your head, okay? So 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Left arm, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Both arms, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly, a little bit faster. Now, previously in this video, we had the 90 beats per minute, the 100, and the 110. You're progressively moving faster and faster. And that's the same thing, same idea. We're going real slow, and then you're gonna get up to the speed that you saw earlier, all right? Both arms, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In the drill, I started with 1, 2. 2, I'm going straight forward. 3, on the 4, I'm going across my body. Okay, so I'm gonna break that down. It's the same idea. Instead of reaching forward, I'm just gonna reach across my body. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, 2. Okay, or in our drill, we went 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 2 is forward, the 4 is to the across the body. Okay, again, this is my left arm. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right arm, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, across the body. All right, one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one we did is we went away from the body. So instead of straight forward and then across the body, twirl, and then away from the body. Okay, so there's our 6 count. We went 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The last one, okay, actually let's stay there. Let's go to 6. Right arm first. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. We're gonna stop at 7. 7. Let's go left hand. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the last thing we're gonna do is you give yourself 5. Okay. I'm gonna twirl, put my hand down, and use the other hand to give yourself 5. That's your 7 and 8. Okay, one more time, just the 7 and 8. We went 7 and. This count is a little bit faster than normal because before we went 7 and 8, not that, we went 7 and. So this part is much faster than this part. Does that make sense? One more time. We have 7 and. By the end, your hand is down, other hand gives it 5. Okay? 7 and 8. So that part is much faster. You got to program your mind to get this twirl faster on the 7 and 8. Same thing, left hand, you went 7 and. On the and is here, 8. The other hand, 8. 7 and 8. So, right arm, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Notice that the 7 and is much faster than the previous twirls, okay? Left hand, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's why we put it together. Here we go. 7, 8. Right arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Immediately left arm picks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now we have the right arm, left arm, and we drill it, right? 2 each side. That makes 4 8 counts. And go over the drills. Go over the 90 beats per minute, the 100 beats per minute, and also the 110. Drill this a couple times a day. Your wrist twirls will look smooth, fast, funky. All right, guys. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Today is the last day of 2019. Let's make 2020 the best one yet. All right. See you next year.